morning, my dear two students, friends, and well wishers. Welcome back to our S Square Maths YouTube channel. This is Santosh. So today we are going to discuss very most important problem connected to polynomials as well as pair of linear equation in two variables. So this is nothing but multi-concept problem. So more than one concept here we are going to apply polynomials along with the linear equations concept. So this problem is most important for 9th and 10th grade students, APTS and NCERT students. I hope so you will be alert. Watch the video. So given that f of x is equal to x power 4 minus ax square minus bx plus 2 is divisible by x plus 1 into x plus 2, then we have to find out the values of a and b. So to determine the values of a and b, we are going to apply two different concepts. Let us see now. So given f of x is x power 4 minus ax square minus bx plus 2. It is divisible by both x plus 1 and x plus 2. Therefore, f of minus 1 is equal to 0. By which theorem? Factor theorem, as we discussed in our 9th grade. So f of x is divisible by both x plus 1 and x plus 2. Therefore, by factor theorem I can write f of minus 1 is 0. So this implies I can write in the place of x I had to substitute minus 1. So minus 1 whole power 4. So minus a into minus 1 whole square minus b into minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. So here it is, minus 1 whole power 4 is plus 1. So minus a into plus 1, minus into minus is plus, b into 1 is b, plus 2 is equal to 0. So I can write here minus a into 1 is minus a plus b, and the like terms 1 plus 2 is 3. So finally I can write minus a plus b is equal to minus 3. Mark as equation number 1. So we got equation 1 by applying factor theorem for here for our given f of x, since it is divisible by both x plus 1 and x plus 2. So here f of minus 1 is 0. Similarly, I can write f of minus 2 is 0. So be careful from this onwards. So this implies I can write in the place of x I have to write minus 2 whole power. In the place of x, here it is minus 2. So minus 2 whole power 4. So minus a into minus 2 whole square minus b into, here it is minus 2. So plus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies minus 2 whole power 4 gives you 16 minus a into, here it is plus 4. So minus into minus plus 2b plus 2 is equal to 0. So minus 4a plus 2b and 16 plus 2 gives you 18, because they are like terms, the constants. So 18 is equal to 0. So don't mark as equation 2. If you observe carefully here, to get our easiest calculations, so 3 terms we have, each term is nothing but, you have the 2 as a factor. So write down 2 as common, so that I can write minus 2a plus b plus 9 is equal to 0. So nothing but minus 2a plus b plus 9 is equal to 0 by 2 gives you 0. You can proceed, no problem, but the calculations will be tedious. So in order to overcome it, since here it is a possibility to take 2 as common, I have taken. So 2 transfers to that side becomes 0 by 2, nothing but 0. So finally I got here, therefore minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 9, plus 9 shifted to RHS. So mark as equation 2. So equation 1 What is equation 1? Linear equation in two variables, which you learned in the 9th standard. So this is linear equation in two variables. First degree equation in two variables are said to be linear equation in two variables. In the same way, the equation 2 also linear equation in two variables a and b again. So like this we got linear equation in two variables, two equations, nothing but pair of linear equation in two variables, which we can learn here in 10th standard, and you know very well there are various methods: elimination method, substitution method, graphical method, etc. So like this, as we are discussing the polynomials, here we got pair of linear equation in two variables, nothing but one more concept. So that's why it is said to be multi-concept problem. So now, solving equations 1 and 2, we are going to get the values of a and b. So here the quotient of a, I want to eliminate the variable a. So here minus 2a and here it is minus a. So I am going to multiply with, so equation 1 I am multiplying with 2. So nothing but 2 into minus a plus b is equal to minus 3. Implies minus 2a plus 2b is equal to minus 6. 2 into minus 3. So mark as equation number 3. So now 2 minus 3, equation 2 minus equation 3 we are going to do. Implies I can write minus 2a plus, here it is, b is equal minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 9, and here minus 2a plus 2b is equal to minus 6. Since we are doing subtraction, I had to change the signs. So plus, and here it is minus, and here it is plus. Minus 2a plus 2a is 0. b minus 2b is minus b is equal to minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. Implies the value of b is 3. So minus and minus get cancelled. So substitute the value of b in either of the equations 1, 2 or 3. But equation 1 is very simple. Okay. So therefore, now substituting b is equal to 3 in equation 1. Therefore, I can write now minus a plus b is equal to minus 3. So minus a plus, what is the b value? 3 is equal to minus 3. Now minus a is equal to minus 3. Here plus 3 transposed to this side is nothing but minus 3. So what I got now here implies I can write minus a is equal to minus 6. Finally I can write a value is 6 after cancelling minus and minus. So students, what we got here? B is equal to value 3 and a value is 6. So what is our question? Given that f of x is divisible by x plus 1 and x plus 2, find the values of a and b. Since f of x is divisible by x plus 1 and x plus 2, therefore f of minus 1 is 0. We got equation 1. After substituting here x is equal to minus 1. This is a linear equation in two variables. Again, f of minus 2 is equal to 0. Continuing the same process, I got equation 2. Here this is polynomials. Equations 1 and 2 represents pair of linear equation two variables. Solving both equations 1 and 2 by elimination method, we got the value of b as 3 and a value as 6. Therefore, a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 3 are the possible values of a and b for our given problem. So in this way, you should able to be alert and have a good knowledge with all the concepts, not only polynomials, with various concepts. So multi-concept problem under division of polynomials, while doing we got a pair of linear equation in two variables. So you can have the look. So please viewers, I hope that you got the better experience with this problem also. So you can overcome various different concepts by watching my various videos. To get exciting and innovative videos for the coming days, please subscribe, share, and also you can comment and like our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you.